Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. We'll walk you through the process of installing a new rear air spring for the Citroen Jumper, Fiat Ducato III, and Peugeot Boxer. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. First, lift the vehicle following the manufacturer's instructions. Then deflate and disable the air suspension system. Now remove the lower air spring retaining bolt. Next, remove the upper air spring retaining bolt. Carefully remove the air spring from the vehicle to gain access to the air line. Next, remove the air fitting from the air spring. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. The removal is now complete. For the installation of the new air spring, first remove the shipping pin from the installed air fitting on the new spring. Now insert the airline into the air fitting. Route the airline through the retaining features on the air spring top mount. Now it's time to install the air spring into the suspension. Reinstall the upper air spring retaining bolt and tighten to manufacturer's specifications. Also reinstall the lower air spring retaining bolt and again tighten to manufacturer's specifications. You can now inflate the air suspension following the manufacturer's instructions. Lower the vehicle and the installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear air spring for the Citroen Jumper, Fiat Ducato III, or Peugeot Boxer with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing!